So hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix ASUS monitor DisplayPort not signal, input cable GPU and EDID reset fix. Fix 1 is perform a hard power cycle. Turn off both your ASUS monitor on your computer, unplug the power cord from both devices completely. Wait at least 60 seconds, press and hold the power button on the monitor for 50 seconds while it is unplugged. Plug both power cord back in and turn the device on. Second fix is verify the monitor input source. Ensure your monitor is set to the correct input source for DisplayPort. Press the menu OSD button on your ASUS monitor. Navigate to input source or input set select in the menu. Select DisplayPort or DP1 or DP2 and confirm your selection. Third fix is check and reset your cable. Unplug the DisplayPort cable from both the monitor and the GPU. Reconnect the cable securely and ensure it click into place. Bypass any adapter or extension cable directly to the GPU. Use the certified HD high quality DisplayPort cable to rule out damage. Fourth fix is adjust DisplayPort version. Open the monitor OSD menu, navigate to system setup, DisplayPort stream or similar naming. Switch between DP 1.1, 1.2 or 1.4. Check which setting restore the signal. Fifth fix is test on another device. Connect the monitor to the different PC or laptop if possible. Try plugging the DisplayPort cable into a different port or your graphic card. If a signal is received on another device, the issue lies with your main computer. If no signal is received on any device, the monitor port may be defective. Sixth fix is factory reset the monitor. Press the menu OSD button, navigate to system setup, select restore factory mode or reset. Confirm you're selecting yes. Thanks for watching.